Hi friends, in this video I would be showing three methods to find, play, delete or share auto recorded calls. Method 1. Open this phone app. Tap on this phone app icon. Tap on these three dots on top right corner. Go to settings. Tap on record calls. Tap on recorded calls. Here you can see all recorded calls. From here we can play recorded call or we can delete or share it. Okay, this is a method 1. Method 2. Open my files app. Tap on this icon. Then tap on audio files. Here you can see all record calls. From here you can play, delete or share. Method 3. Again go to my files, tap on this icon, tap on internal storage, go to recordings, go to call. Here you can see all record calls. From here you can play, delete or share. These are three methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.